luwe dede. Ave de no la lo he ona yamare iye.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. I want to say, my amazing people, please join this video. I want to join this video. Help me to love and like, and also I want to share. I want to say, my amazing people. Gay. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey shele? Wetin dey sup? Oh, you wan know? Abi na wish? Abi na shorty? No matter the shele, we go still dey rule. I wanna day. Good evening, my amazing people. Please join this video. So now they join la we're going to make a video now. When I may reach out to this shortest woman in Italy, I'm going to make another total down. Another total daga. Ogesi loy. Oh, I don't do something I'm not supposed to do. I want to them amazing people. Please, guys, thumbs up this video. Give the video love and like, and also help me to share out to reach more audience, to reach more people. You understand? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? How na day. Share the video, guys. Now, good evening. Why are baby again? Hi. When I make chorus come, guys, let's listen to video or message which is sent to me. Okay? Let's listen to the video which she sent to me, and I also get advice for her. Okay, I told you. It says, okay. Shot in. I wanna day, guys. Please thumbs up this video and give the video love and like, okay? Make sure say reach your neighbor, your loved ones. Now, good evening. Wanna help me call this ewuwu come. Wanna me call this rose corn. Alright. I believe say for her mind she feel say she don't arrive. She feel say she get waiting, she sabi talk or she won't talk. I believe say she dey feel say Yekwebe with Nene Saga Agbesef, which I don't really know whether that one they do saga. Don't hear the Umbona Saga. I don't know, because the last time I checked, Egwa they were saga. Egwa with saga for those who come out since I was busy. Okay, only because of say maybe I did busy with outside, or I just did tidy things for house. You know. So now let's go there. So my people, I think is it yesterday, right? So I saw the video where this Rose Shots, the shortest woman in Italy. I see the video where she sent to me. She said me they talk about advice. Say me talk, say make she not advise me, which is true. I tell her say I don't need advice, because that advice where she called the form say she won't give me. Now she need and pass me, which I no lie. Now she need and pass me. She not get respect. She's mannerless. She and her full family, everybody know them for this Italy. I care who ni alama wa, you know. Wa care who ni a family yan. Because a tion with Italy. wa kieku ni yan lawo wa yan ye emogi emu giasin yan ya mo waria. Emi no da fi yan marry eniyan, they'll say their husband do it for them. Wait till they not get for us, they'll tell you say they get them. So they never build, they'll say they build a fake life and yan wa live agbo we mi gba yan. Agbo we mi o mo bo mo we agripa. Te mari wa gba yan we yi eri na je begbe. Akiro ni yan la wa. Now, wait till be my issue with this Oviakbo we dey Italy. Guys, I was on my own doing my thing, what I know how to do best. Where this girl send me message, me will be queen, Toshu. She sent me message, claim me, say she won't advise me. And that advice or that video, it was not a genuine video. Imagine when your enemy go they advise you, and people, what do you expect? Imagine when somebody we don't like you, we don't use I see you, we even they wish say you will come up for this those cyber space for even when una not there one place, una not there one house, una not they use one platform, but she see you alone, she they feel threats, you know, now she know what they pursue her. Now they get me. Imagine when you're, please guys, one let me thumbs up and share this video, okay? Imagine say person way not like you, person way claim say no more use I see you, go just come outside, go say one advise you. Una supposed to know say that advice na mockery. Why am I explaining this? For those people where talk say she advised me, now advice she give me, I'm not supposed to insult her. That was not advice. All right? Not be advice. I have a lot of people where they advise me, and people do sometimes advise me on live video. Sometimes I'll just watch. I feel no reply, I feel no talk. I'll pick the one I want pick. I'll leave the one I want leave. But in her case, she was not advising me. She was actually trying to mock me. When she no reach sleepers, when me put for outside, when I they used to the bath. Now that one. Now this girl come online. She say she they advise me. I'm not supposed to date those cyberspace. I'm not supposed to do this one. I'm supposed to date TikTok. You understand? Only she by herself. The second video where she do my people when I see, please guys, as you are joining, thumbs up, love and like, and also drop your comment, your emoji, so that this video will go far. So that Facebook will release this video. They will make this video go far. So my amazing people, the video where she do yesterday, when I watch, I have a video when I want to play for now. The reason why I acted the way I act when she said she they advise me, I will still let una know, because this girl, so I don't dislike her for a very long time, but maybe she don't know. So one of the videos where make me don't dislike this girl, now I want to play for her this evening. Mona know her personality. Me una know her character. Me una look am whether this one fits to advise person. Whether this short thing fits to advise person. I do video say I dey call her shorty. And a lot of people were like, Queen, some people, not be a lot, few people were like, Queen, why will you say she's short? You too, you not so. Yes, I be average height. Not too tall, not too short. You not see video. I do a lot of videos these days. I dey show myself. I dey stand, I dey dance around. You can go to my page. Just take your time. Scroll through my page. Then you check me standing where I dey dance. Sometimes I even dey turn around, show front and back. You understand? So you can go there if you want to know the shape I have. If not the short shape, if not the tall shape, if not the linko shape, if not the zebra shape, if not the kukuruku shape, you go to my page and go and see things there. Yeah, I normally post those things, not every day, but once in a while. If I just get time and if the thing just enter my mind, and if you just see my mind, it's okay. Let me just drop video like that. Then now you will see me post something like that. Now the video where she do yesterday, when I see for YouTube, though she don't block me for her platform, I know they see her video again, which I not really need a video because on a said on Amazon. So I see I'm with blogger Karen for YouTube yesterday. Now, what is she can they talk about? She say, since we fit I take come off for Facebook, she say if me want do video, guys, why am I not seeing comments? Please, why I not they see comments? I be my network those things hang. Okay, hang because it shake yours now. You don't hang. Please, guys, if you are here, just drop. If na rose, so if na anything, or drop something. Okay, let me know you are here, please, guys, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. The video she did yesterday, she say, me no fine. She said me no fine. She said me they do like say me fine. She said me no fine. I was like, oh no, me. This one the craze. My people, since una don't know me for this live video, since una don't know me, since una don't they follow me, since you don't they watch my program, please, you don't ever see me on my platform. Can they talk say I too fine, or I even fine at all, or I fine. Have you seen me? Una don't see me any day, like even one day, to come out online to come they say, I be fine girl, I too fine, oh, I'm the finest, oh, people don't know, I fine well. Have you people see me do that on this Edo cyberspace? The answer is no. I know they praise myself. There are things I used to praise myself, like when people will just talk, say, Queen, go and work. You know they work. That's the only time you see me come out and talk about my occupation, what I do for a living. And I even hear her when they talk, say, me na hairdresser, whether hairdresser na work. She say whether hairdresser na work. I know, say, as a professional ashawo where she be, she no go fit even talk, say hairdresser na work. She no fit see hairdresser as work. Because the €100 where me go stand, do Oyibo Bob Marley money tonight, Oyibo go pay me. She go just use 1 second, shift her pint, go one corner. All the tonton your boys in your Nissan, the highway for road work where she they do. So she they get more than that. She not go feel know the benefit of handwork. And she forgets, say, this handwork when me get so, na for locum, and he go there with me till I old. But he get where she go reach, Oyibo no go dey carry her for road again. Even as this girl still dating now, do you know that this girl still they go joint to joint? They look for Oyibo wey wan service her, pay her money. Do you know? Single mom, not even single mom, married woman with 2 children. She married Moroccan. Do you know that this girl still they go from cafe bar to beer parlor to garden, go they hunt me. Even on a gwe, lupa shawo or mageba till tomorrow. She said the work, handwork, when me they work. He said that one not be work. Even the rest things when I even they do, she said all those things now change. Say I supposed to go they do prostate. She said I supposed to go they do prostate because everybody must do a shower. But the things when me don't get few little things when me don't get or when my hand don't touch, I get them from this my handwork. Since I entered this country, now every day I tell they use and sing. I wish people dey with me and they don't even stand for road or stand for corner or stand for anywhere. Therefore, don't stick on live video, come talk and say, ah, Queen, why you go talk like this? You will stand, therefore, don't stick on talk. Huh? But when I talk, say, I do sales girl. Yes, it's true. Somebody confirm it. Somebody said, and I go to present and say, I do sales girl, follow person for Africa shop. Which before that person even talk, I'll be saying it right from the very first day I create my page. I don't carry fake life on this social media. I don't come fake my life for this edo cyberspace. I dey live my normal real life. As I said, the life they okay with me. It they sweet me. I know the whole person money. Nobody they pressure me. I dey okay. I dey more than okay. Una they understand me. She wants to talk some. I don't want to play that particular video because I get the one I want to play. Maybe if time permits at the ending of this video, I feel can play this one when they talk so. She said me they do video, they showed my best spread. She said the best spread when me they show. She said that best spread. She said na olden days best spread. She said she don't use that best spread. Tele for Nigeria. She said now 18 years ago, now that they use that best spread. It's not best spread. The duvet, that duvet I show, that popular duvet. And una know, say that duvet when I show na so. That duvet not they come off for fashion. Yes, that duvet so, you know they come off for fashion. And guys, is that the only duvet I have? Many of una fit testify because una they see me. When I dey change, even as I dey change my best spread, the blanket, everything, una dey see am. Even that duvet, why I like am because now even small pass for all the duvet when I get. So if I need portable, especially now where summer don dey come, e get where summer go come reach now, I go still remove one. I will put lighter one again when I go take the sleep to avoid heat. Una dey get me now. She said the duvet. Now this, now that. And person way they talk so. Even pots where she get to us. We never see her for live video. Office table where she get. Because me get office table. Yes, I get big office inside my room. Yeah? I get big office inside my room. Now my storeroom is fair day. But since when my network get issue, I had to bring it to my room because my room, the network they stronger than every other house, every other room for this my house. I had to bring my office to my bedroom. In my office, even as a single girl. When you come to my this table where I sit down, so nothing where you not go see for here. Pen drive, speaker, laptop, different phones, ring lights, different things. You go see them for this table. Pencil, biro, and books. A lot of books. Aside the one where they write, the ones where they read. As a single, I get that office for my house. This person so now, this illiterate so. Where they climb table before she do video. She have never for once, even plate where person take they put food they chop, she never post her once. We never see her. Because she knows, say, if she try her, Oibo go push her out from that house. Since when me tell know this girl, only kitchen, you must see kitchen cabinet for her back. Now only kitchen. Now this girl they do video. Now Rose Shorts, the shortest woman in Italy. I'm daring you now, say, show me your parlor, show me your bedroom. Even if you say my best friend, the duvet, say na 1990, no, you show me your own. Make me pack my duvets, come outside. May you pack your own, come outside. May we count duvets where we get. More start from there first, because now you they do competition. Now you know what they pursue you. Now know what, especially for that one group. In win a competition more. I get this one, you not get it. Only when I no more one it and me, I not be competition type. In win a competition, my moment. My own be say if I need something at that point, I see and use. Or for not be my own. Now me they dare you now for you to say the duvet when me show so you say na 90 tele which this duvet safe I they add them on top duvet. I be under duvet. Yes, that cold time I told you guys I used 2 duvet at a time. I use 2 duvet at once if I want sleep. In case maybe one pull come off my body, the other one will stick over me. That's why I used 2 duvet. I'm not the only eater. You understand? That one I want settle. If I even to use them, maybe 2 weeks is dirty, I'll pack them. Can I go down, go give a dry cleaner? They wash them for me. I will replace them with another one. With another one. And it's just only for this winter. After winter, I change to another set of duvet, light ones, wey not thick. Wey not thick for the summer. So Rose the shortest in Italy. Let's start from here. You now go and get me your duvets where you get. More do competition. I want more content for live video. May we see. You understand? If it be say you get some colors of duvet where you self they use, when I go later like. If it be say you go see the one where me they use, where you go later like. More start from there. Secondly, I want see your office table as a black girl with Maroibo. Me now I be black single girl. This is my table. Oye tegbe. You Maroibo. Let me see your office table. You understand? Let me see your office table as a bare way where they ask, where not they go work. Me, I work from home. I see they go outside, go they work. I want to see your office table aside being a blogger. Even your blogging, that blogging where you they do, you know say bloggers they get studio. Let me see your equipment where Oibo carry money go market buy for you where you they use. If not be 1 phone or 2 phone with 1 small ring light where you try to create up and after you don't climb table. Show me your table. Show me your office table. Let me see. Let me see how many books they your table where you they read a day. May I see the way you tell even they organize your life. Let me see. You bring things now. Now, operation, show me something. Because now you they talk about, not be me bring and say, show me this. Now you start on. So let's go there first. Start from office table. Then before you show me your bedroom. If possible, your own office inside your bedroom, show me. Me, sometimes 1 o'clock, I see they on laptop. I they work. 2 o'clock, thanks for joining my lady Happy James. 2 o'clock, I still do on laptop, I dey work. Sometimes 4 o'clock before I dey sleep, I do on lappy, I dey work. Rose, show me your office. Show me your office, this thing. I want to see as a black, we marry Zingiri Oibo. I want to see your office, that one and one. Then you say, me, you say, now filter, me they use. You say, so since when filter can come out for Facebook, you say, me no can they show my face again. Me no can they like to show my face again. And this one and you will be say, the time when filter day Facebook, you they do video more than 4 times a day. Live video, you just honor. They insult uno near your pa, uno near your ma, uno near your family. You go they insult them. People will not even know whether they exist. You go they insult them. But since you they even they talk now, say since we fit not still dey Facebook, I still they do some videos. I still they carry camera face myself and do videos. But you, since the day we fit come out from this Facebook, I have never seen you do video again. You no go live again. You never do live video. Since the day where filter come up for this Facebook, you never do live video again. Wetin happen? Why you not do live video? You not get internet for us? You not get network? Or you not see chair sit down for us? May you do video, may you sit down, balance, analyze video as me they do and so. Since when filter come up for Facebook, not being you take go turn blogger. Where you not a presenter right from time? Where you not a presenter? Waiting make you run from presenting work subito, that is fast, come become blogger. Is it not because there is no filter? Why be saying I'm waiting there on our body? Now na the thing say it dey another person body. You say since when filter come up for Facebook, me no con dey go live. I do go live even before filter come up for Facebook. Go down my page. Go see videos what I don't do last year, last 2 years. You go see and say, now once in a while, now I tell the carry camera, face my face. And at this point and this moment, why I not today do video, carry camera, face my face is because, first of all, Facebook not they pay better money. Yes. The time where Facebook they pay better money, where they pay money. If people want enter live video, not only me, almost all live video, they will go dress themselves. They will bath better bath, even spray perfume. Even when people say they want to sit down live video, they will spray perfume. They will use different, they will even some go make up. Those who like makeup, they will make up. Those who don't like makeup, they will do like that. They will make their hair, everything will be clean, everything will be nice. They organize themselves, go through what they want to present, carry their book, their laptop, everything. They'll come sit down for their studio. Then they'll begin broadcast video. Why? Because the time, the energy, the water, the stress is worth it. Facebook, they pay put. But now, Facebook don't pay anything. So why should I waste my energy for something like that? May I go bath, tidy myself, make up, or even if I don't make up, let me just say do video, like do a reel, do this one. At the end, Facebook no go give me kobo. Time when I'll tell do that one, I better look for who won't make hair. I go do their hair. And if you did live video, they talk to you, how they do other things with my other phone. You understand me? And not be because of filter or no filter. And they come out sometimes, I'll just face myself talk. It not change anything. I carry camera face myself. Oh. I carry the back face myself. Oh. It not change anything. You understand me? You say, I'm not fine. I not me. Go and bring one video for me. When me don't ever, since I've been on this Edo cyberspace, come they talk, say, Queen, I'm too beautiful. I'm the finest presenter on this Edo cyberspace. I'm so beautiful. I find past this one. I find past this one. I don't try it. I know they do one. I know they do one. Now people where they look me. Commenters where they watch me and you. Now I go see come my platform. Sometimes where they'll just see my face. Ah, Queen the fine girl. Queen, you are very beautiful. Queen, you too fine. Saga not fit you. Now then they comment on here. Now you still see where they pay you. When you have your verbal for commentator say I fine. Queen Saga not fit you. Queen this one. Oh, because they know they give you those kind accolade. Because they know they give you that kind accolade. Rose short where they Italy. Where it thief name grabber. Do you know that you are a name grabber? Eh? You come. You say you be Italian first lady. Now what be where wa boom where wa when egbe magbara. Where no yak bo akusana. Me not so, but you go your day my waist. As you be so. Akusana no Italy. If me stand, you go day my waist. No be say joke. No be say joke. Go and see my videos. You go see me there. I know they hard though. I know they hard myself. But I just they do my if I just get the strength, I will just do it. Right from when I come out for this live video, right from the day I become a presenter, I don't get one day when I hide myself. You don't get one day where I hide myself. I don't wear short knicker dance for this live video. I don't wear long knicker dance for this live video. I don't wear short pants. No, not be pants. I never wear pants. I never even wear short skirt. Yeah, I don't even tie rapper dance for this live video. So, you know if you come, guys, don't worry about the views, okay? Now, network, they shake, network, they disturb. But nevertheless, give the video love and like and Mona see me share the video. Now, network, they disturb, and so this network be. Now, they get me. I have never for once gone to raise my leg, my this, my that. Now, me fine pass. No, because I know, say, if I do them, I go get a lot of enemy. Even people where even like me before, they feel even they hate me. You know why? Because pride come before fall. Now me, they always they teach you now that word. That is why I don't do it. If I should own my platform to come, they say, oh, I'm the finest, I too fine. That is pride. That one are pride, which I know they do. If I ever see you they do, I'll just gonna add a look at. But you can't see me do it. Because pride come before fall. If person don't they do like that, they do like that. No. A lot of people go through the vessel. If people say girls they do it for joke or for play, but people they wear their belly go they pay them. They roast you come they cry and I say people talk say people they say I fine. Whether me fine, me not fine. This and this. Waiting that one got to do with you. What is your business with waiting people feel about me? Don't be only me one. People they talk say fine for this live video. People they go different platform. If they reach they are. This presenter you find well, this one you find well, this one. Will I come and be saying, and they said this presenter fine, you know fine. Will I come and be saying that? No, because it's a sign of jealousy. It is jealousy that's swing. That is why you see some people, person like you, Italian last lady, no, you know go finish your betrayer. Your type na betrayer therefore they see them. Because imagine when you get friend where go just where people could tell say, oh, you are fine or you are beautiful or this or this. You just this so the next thing you will do is to go and betray that your friend. And betrayer they get that your spirit so you get so because what you they talk it don't make sense. Momo advice so you advise me. I say I don't need them. No be by force. You don't reach to advise me. You are a useless girl. Now who don't know your story go say see person they talk. You are too short for my life itself. And you know sabi talk. You don't have manner of approach. You don't get respect. You they talk like hypocrites. You talk like hypocrites. At your age, you never still know the difference between wrong and right. You think it's all about only platform to give. Or that is why you see you say you did back on this media. You see say nobody know you. To know that you are useless. I they talk about you now. Look how many people they watch. Rose short where they tell you. Look how many people they watch. This is the main reason I don't like talking about people where be say they never bath. People where be say the whole world dislike. You see, say people not there here now because nobody like you. Nobody not even there here now. They come and say, ah, please, oh, leave her. Oh, she's a good person. She's a nice person. You know they. Nobody even wants to see your face. The main reason we will see some presenters for them to put your name for their platform is they hard. This is all it. Shorty. Now, my people, without wasting much of your time, let's go to the video where this girl do. After she don't insult herself and her family member finish, she can't come say she want advice more. And I rejected that advice. I don't need that. Yes, the reason why I reject that advice where like her Let me play it to you all. Please, guys, una not they share this video, una not they love and like this video, which is not too okay with me. Mona give this video love and like, okay, guys. Mona also share them. Mona listen to the reason why I talk say this shorty, this Oviakbe Samagobo. The day I write her name for my blacklist. Now be this video when I want play so. So Mona listen.
Message to all the presenters wey dey Edo Sabah space, and also to all the bloggers wey still dey Edo Sabah space. Wey be say e talk for the Ebagwa polygamy wahala wey be say e on call on this Edo Sabah space. Message to all of una, like I just invest. It just be like say, maybe if I only see una need answer would be a one by one. I just invest.
Now, my people, una hear what she talk. I go dey play and small for una. For those who go say, Queen, she advise you, you know, this is the reason, this video one play, so is the reason why I not like, I write this girl name for my blacklist, yeah? Now, she say, una remember during the time of Esther with Destiny issue, everybody, will be presenter, will be blogger, evil influencer, musician, everybody talk about them. Now, this shortest woman for Italy, she come outside. Instead of her to earn her points, you understand? Or do you want what kind of one? Maybe if she talk, maybe people physically pick one or two from where she talk. She not can give her own points. She come outside, come they insult people where give out their point of view for those issues. Both the one way talk positive, both the one way talk negative. She come outside to insult her full family, to show how disrespectful and useless she and her family be. When I hear what she talk just now, say, I wish she see everybody where talk for Destiny, Edward, Esther matter, she for they give the slap. Let's continue, guys.
Why it be say hypocrisy where they inside us is too much and it take the big part of us? Why it be say the jealousy where they inside us with the alarm they come out, it they take the big part of us? She be the polygamy matter where be say it come out for Edo Sabah space. She be all of us, including me. Yes, when they talk so. She be all of us choose our part when we play for the matter. Am I clear? She be all of us take them. Okay. Why it be say we couldn't put her now for only just one person heard? Like say maybe now only she now he choose the part where it be say it wants stand. All of us not choose. Una some presenters, una not see choose una pass. Una see say another person come out, come beat una say why una choose that pass. He come and come beat una, especially the woman where he be say all of una now come dance say na only she now. Na he come join one person pass. All of una not join. Both the Benin, both the Asian, una no get pass go na join. Who wa here swore? Yes, who wa here swore?
So my people, una hear wetin she talk so. She say the issue of Esther and this one, that one, everybody will talk out. Why everybody can't carry the matter face one person? Did we really carry the matter face Monica? The answer is no. And Monica back case by herself. Because everybody was saying the truth. Wait till they see. Edward know they talk. Edward know they find trouble. Edward know business she they say. Monica come out the saga Edward. We see and we talk the truth, and not only presenters, musicians said the same thing, comedians said the same thing, content creators said the same thing. But this useless girl come outside. She not even fit say some. Or wait till a family ya fe. igetinya me netinya zuo. Since when me don't date this live video, this course where this girl course so, even though daytime or morning or night or una don't ever see me bring out such words from my mouth to say uwaya. No. If one person do wrong, I just go straight to that person say, this thing where you dey cry so, now you wrong. Now you do this thing. That is how I do my thing. I not go come because of one person, can't generalize everybody. That is a sign of disrespect. That is a sign of omonama kokowa. That is a sign of road okpo. That is a sign of a nuisance and hypocrite. Now they get me so. This was the video. I never play and finish. Oh, make una dey listen. Guys, why am I not seeing comment? What did they happen? Abi? Why I not they see comment? What's going on? When I me love and like this video. Una they get me. This was what happened. Make I play and they go.
Shebi all of us choose the path where we say we stand put. Where we can't put on that for just only one person head. Because say una look like una mini God. I be una look like say maybe na you consider for una head mu basua. Ale mani huemu ibu wenye ugame be ubani kuhiwa salu aibaba.
Now, this stupid rose from a stupid family background, from a useless, at the same time, wayward family history. Una see how she dey insult a lot of people. Even for this video, Monica and Beatrice Okpaika saga never even start. This video where me they play so, it was directly to Beatrice Okpaika. Now Beatrice Okpaika, now she used this video to insult. Can't add say all the presenters. Because if you look at that time, Beatrice Okpaika was also an Asian woman. That is why she talks say this message now to some Asian and some Edo people. So these are Monica people who don't they bully Beatrice Okpaika with indirect since before Monica and Beatrice even quarrel. Are you people getting me? These are the people. Now, this lady now, as person tell they do something, as me quit tell they do something, if something they go on like this, or something they happen, I will just go straight. I will just go straight. Talk waiting, be my own for inside. If I have issue with one person, I face that one person. Say make I come, they say because of one person, because they say una. And this useless girl also get, she earned her opinion. Nobody even can ask her, say, who you support? Or which side you talk about? Who you dey against? Nobody ask this girl, what she they say, talk less of say they won't buy. Nobody price, nobody buy, nobody near this girl. But because she feels she can insult Edo people, because she feels insult presenters anyhow, a wayward nuisance like this go come on platform, say she want to advise me. After she don't insult her family where they do cyberspace finish. Then you will not say with your long mouth, Rose, you say you want to advise me. Dedeni maswe kuni. Dedeni maswe kuni. Which day we start that play? If you really want to see me that bad, say, okay, let me now also put it to you. Okay, let you write a date out. Write a day out. Make me and you go online for this live video. Maybe you go do your own 2 o'clock. I will do my own 4 o'clock. We'll write them out. I will post them. You go post them. You do around 2 o'clock with no makeup. Do your video with no makeup. Just be natural. I don't mind because of this. I will lose my hair so that I will carry my natural hair. Let's be natural. Make we on this camera of live video. May we face ourselves. Then after the videos, make people wait get I go screenshot my video, screenshot your face and my face. May they add that together. May they post them out there. Make them see who get crocro for face, who get acne where they back. All this shit where you rub for eyes, so where you take the key eczema, the key black spot, the key crocro, the key. Me know they use all these things. So. All this with on where you take off face, so me know they use all these things. You don't ever see me come online, come rub something, mama for my face. One single pimples I don't even get. You understand? One single pimples I don't have. You understand what I talk? So you now book the date. You can say tomorrow, next tomorrow, write it out. I don't know why you block me. Unblock me. Who is Zua? I'm not working here. She said if I find better thing for Facebook, I'll come meet you. EZIZA allow it. When no matter what, no when I get ye nena. Fianya gbe no bojuku. Fianya gbe no wemu pasha wo we ya boast lele ran vidi kan no va wo alagbon. Now I'm telling you that you now fix a date. If I fix another, you're saying the day when I want to do that, you fix a date. No makeup, no lashes, no eyebrows, no lipstick, nothing. As just wear only your shirt. Sit on live video, do video, you do your own around one. Or if you want me to do first, I will do my one around 2. You do your own around 4. So that people, not be me and you go even call the make people go screenshot her. Make them post them out there. Make them look me and you. Who they cure crocro for face? Who get acne for face? Who get problem for face? Why I see they tell you this one? Because now you know what they push you. Now you they say who fine, who not fine. Now so this one fine pass you. For this full media where we did so everybody fine pass me. Now only you don't know. Let me see they tell you now say this media where we did so everybody, both the men and the women, all of them fine pass me. You go my way competition, I reject it. Even if I even mistakenly say something like that, say I fine pass everybody for this media, which I know that I've never for once say. Thanks for joining, Mama Gloria. Good evening, Mama. Thanks for joining. Which I've never say. Roshoti, I'm telling you now that you bring out the day to say, Queen, let's go live. We'll carry camera, face ourselves. You can do your own 2 o'clock. Me will do my 4 o'clock. With no makeup, nothing. Me will do video. Make them see our face. Make them screenshots. Let audience, let people where they watch. Make them call results. You understand me? Even though people find past me, that will not be my business. My own waiting you go even tell me. My own problems, if they break. First thing, I put my knee for ground and pray, say, God, let my helper locate me. 1. Make my leg not carry me go where they go buy me. 2. Make who I do good for. No use bad, they pay me. 3. Make waiting I don't know me. Waiting I don't know. Make them not use and time me. Waiting I don't do. I have balome. 4. And my daily bread. May I not poor for life. Thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. May I not poor for life. Where my mate for see they eat. Make me self they see eat there. Anywhere they favor my mate. Make if me see this, they may favor me. Not be say me go reach that way. Is there for workman? Or a busy for a That's the prayer I go on my knees to pray on a daily basis. I know they wake up for money, come they pray, say, God, please, I want to be the finance presenter on those Sabbath. For waiting now. For waiting now. Thank you, Mama Chelsea. Thank you. For waiting. I know they come, they say, let's pray. Let's do this one. God, now me find pass. I don't do that. If me even get friend where fine, where they are around me no fine. How they use that my friend till they boast. Yes. You not really know me for this media. If you know me, you go know, say the fine people where they are around me, imagine and boast. Me know they use myself, they boast too. And they use them boast, say, you don't see how this person fine. You don't see how she cute. You don't see the way they get. You don't see the way they do. You understand? You can never see me when they form, when they bend, when they bend waist, when they do this. I know they try. Guys, don't worry about the views, okay? Now network, my network, they very, It did very somehow, but I thank God say no they shake for this video. Now they get me so. I know they do. For me to come the form say, God, make I fine. I go pray say God give me good heads. No, dama kon ya. You they get me so, Rose. Now you know what they pursue you up and down. Now you know the jealousy when you they see me as a competitor. Me, I'm not saying your papa. Me, I not send waiting your papa will born your papa. I not send you and him and them. Man, in winning, that is me not even know whether you did Facebook. There is nothing where dey your body when I go feel say, oh, this thing is okay, is this, is that. You know they fine, you know fine, tall, you know tall. Even manner of approach, you know get. Waiting make me even dislike you past na manner of approach. You know sabi talk. You don't know when to talk. You don't even know how to address issue. Thank you, Mama Okido Edos for the star. Thank you, Mama. That's my star, Mama. Thank you, Mama G, for the star. God bless you, Mama. Mama Chelsea, thank you too for inviting her. Thank you. Abemo, let me share this video. Thanks for joining my people. Rose Shorts, the shortest woman in Italy. You don't have manner of approach. If you don't see you tell you, let me tell you, women character. Your character, they see me. Wow, thank you, Mama, for the star. Thank you. Your character is too dirty and it they see me. I mean, they tell you. For you to come outside to insult the whole presenter, you say they don't mind you. After you do this video, where you for your mind, you think say you they do something. They don't mind you. They don't send you. All of them do say they don't see you because you know what their time. You be trash now. You will be basura. If you want to feel basura, you could work in and you be dirty now. Time where they never see thought of better people. They'll come, they say, oh, they talk, they're short. Who will be? Wow, 300 star. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. God bless you, Ma.
Maybe all of us choose our path. Many bloggers, first, they confess the first wife. The first wife, they confess the first wife pass. Then later, they go switch, they come the second wife pass. Some come the second wife pass, then they go switch, they come go the first wife pass. I've been on this one and so on. So, what problem one where you be say, when I want to put some for, or just only one person here, what say you are being was so one was salo, baba, oh, our moment. Because
all the course where you course presenters and bloggers on this video. Now your family. Is it off to party now? Okay, Mama, enjoy yourself. No problem, my lady. No problem. You see all the course when you cause all presenters for here because of say they end their point of opinion or they put their opinion for issue. Now your family way useless. Now you the insult. Era visuel no hoa. Euti ebo na runda. Oba bueki. You see social media say now big place. Edo cyberspace is a big space. Mind your business. If issue come, go cut any part where you feel like to analyze. Analyze them. Talk with it concern you and the person. Not be say you go online video, go they insult your family, your generation. For those cyberspace say because of say people end their opinion and you open your useless mouth now they talk say people are free to end their opinion. Then why are you insulting them? Why you they swear for your past children, your heads? Why? Why? You not even say few or some, you say all of them. That was the day I talk. I write your name. Somebody's about to say, yes, so, or we ain't war, Rosemary no shorty. That was the day I know that you are a useless person. You don't, you be person where not deserve even she quarter of respect from me. Now that day, though you feel you're the grace so If they go your platform now, it's all about bullying. You where you dey advise people now. If they go your platform from A to Z, it's all about bullying. You have been bullying Edo people, bullying innocent people. We never even mention your name once. Erosakiko. You have been bullying people. But did you see that? Anybody ask you? No. Did you see that anybody talk to you? No. That one was not enough for you. See, open your mouth to come out and generalize all your bad family. If you ever you are a disgrace to the community where you come from. Then we will say, women sense, small sense, you know, they your head. You think live video is all about only live video. Again, better going. That sometimes I do my broadcast. I'm not going to even put course. People go begin to give me stars. People go begin to call my phone. People go begin to contribute. That is the mentality. That is the spirit of a solid presenter. You don't ever for your life break any record since you did this to cyberspace. You get fans. If not be this poppy where you dey poppy they go so. The one way they pay me pass it maro ibo. Ama this enough for any nyae. Ama de be wadi any nyae. Ama do usana nyae gas. How can person way it be like say some of una way be presenter way maro ibo. It be like say now una go be the next target of war for this Edo cyberspace. I just they tell una now, I want give una this update. You see these presenters where maro ibo. Be like say we go need to use asayini te gia una comot here. Yes. We will begin use cane get cane. Solid cane. Take tear una body, scratch una back, bolo na skin comot here. If it happen, oh, yes, presenter war against presenters wey maro ibo. If it happen, hashtag presenter wey maro ibo must leave Edo cyberspace. Because if una talk to person, they talk to una, the next thing, una go pack Koko should come aside. Why am property? The other one way that they talk to that and I Koko should only be violadia. Who are you teku? Naughty to show. Benz, they not bad for them. Go see the rest bloggers where maro ibo. Go see Jeep where that one they drive. No be only that one. Bloggers where you're there our own Benin people so where maro ibo. Go and see the life where they live. Some bring their children, their daily basis, their daily life. They video their kitchen. They do family reality content. Because Oibo na big ass na their country. Yes, me I be black. Oibo fit tell me today say come on for my country. They have a property la. But Oibo na get na their country. Anyhow, if you like, he deck he has 100 times, he roof 100 times. Na property nobody go collect her for your hand. Rosekia. I think it's high time una way maro ibo una go come on for this Edo cyberspace because we don't give una chair to take sit down here. The women be by why sugobo not be we frustrate una. Many of una maro ibo we the hogbese o sawa ge ya hian wa agi egbe oke no kuwa agi kedo de biscuit de bread if your guwa for what? For what? Una way maro ibo we be say una supposed to form as a team. Say every year if na trailer of rice una go share for Bini. If na trailer of groundnut oil una go share because una maro ibo una say una get upper hand. Una get all the money or ibo they give una money woto. Thanks for joining the Queen Social Lover. Thanks for joining my person. Una need to go, they donate, they do things for house. I'm not come for this Edo cyberspace. Una nuisance don't they too much here. A beg Guba, all the better be careful. Thanks for joining Mama Desuwa. The one una take the beg, we don't marry Ibo, we know they beg like that. How can a person wey marry Igbo add or agbeni yebe at least 10,000? I'm fine, mommy, I'm fine. At least 10,000. Osadeba me osato 10,000. Eh? A Josie Makoni 10,000. Umare Ebo. Eh? Philo Phyllis 10,000. Umare Oebo ogun gbeluwa. Abuwa gbeo wa laji amare abuwa pa. Naso agbuwa. Naso agbuwa. Yes or no? Una need beating before una evacuate here. Because we will marry black. Una claim say we don't get no level for us. We don't get opportunity. Thank God say Europe don't be Nigeria. Una for don't even use now or Ibote oppress a lot of people enter prison. Ave es human traffic karamu drama ni babena. We went there with black or with the friend black or we want marry black or we marry black. Black na black any country where you for come. So far you black. We dey Europe. We supposed to see they use this those about specifically they support, they follow up, they do our things. Maybe say your Igbo wife there. May they serve your Igbo wife. May we they see them forget that they do donation. May we they see them for BBTs. Instead of becoming a blogger. If you all look there, they reach 5. Oh. They reach 5. All of them marry Igbo. They be bloggers, presenters. No, bloggers. Oh, that one. I know they talk about bloggers. Those where they do family content, I know they talk about those ones. Especially the ones where we just they see for those sabas where they do saga. So, I want to bona, you my people. You sorry. What is all this? The Nahina? Eh? The Nahi? I think I had to start a campaign against you people. What la if I really see I want do, I go do one. Now me go start town, I go surprise as people go take gather. Iya ba wata you wa won wa senuwa. Ema ni okwe be ya san gbuwa la diama. I feel no even there among. But na me go talk am. Ado ya san giya wa ye mari. Because I don't know. The one I take the behave. E hugwa tori mwima. Unana they make us the shame. Eh? The ones we get to above for us, they will go, they knock, they fuck, they fuck on up and down. Inyaga uwale they run very here, they knock on they go. Funanish Nigeria na agwala yo megbere. Asa who you marry na Oyibo. What you na they do for here? We don't do for those about space na wagbuwa. Wa wagwa lo wa. Do ameno buwa wa. Mona begin carry on back come on for those about space. Anything where we present, man the top put again, man the top for our matter. Mona come out here. Cause all why marry buwa. Unero line. Una no go for na body again. Ebo we marry na, but okwo we wa no marry black na they buy you baby there where you dey chop. Ukpesi. So my people, let's listen further.
Because I just see different video. I just see different of una. Why you listen on they feel they stand on the ground? Why? Una not take una part for the matter. I mean, now only one person talk for the matter. Now only one person join the second wife. Most of them not join second wife.
Thank you, my lady.
Also, I wasn't in anybody's side, but I was the part of the second wife. Why you be say we can't put her for only one person head? Why? Una way be say get the first wife pass. The person that person they put on for your head now. He come out, come draw and come and say, why would I get the first wife pass? He come out, come draw now. Why swear? What?
Era visual zuo. Ma. Wa so wa kamera visual. We may waiting ya zuo. Runda. Some of these presenters where you they insult, they senior your pa. They senior your ma. They senior your family. Yes, now the poor pass, yes. They also come out here. Because the one way they do, they no. They can't tell you where Pasha Wonya came in, I will be you see their body. Are you forgetting me? Ero shorty. No Rita Lee, we make hama. Iwe gbe ma hera mi jouer. Man, the character you are exhibiting shows that if you fail wholeheartedly, or my training we say, or my raise we say, especially when you date public. Also, we name my lady Mama Chelsea. Especially when you date public. Why you go come and come they talk, say, this one, that one. Make people come out for you. Aware. Thanks for joining, my lady, if you know her. Thanks for joining. Good evening, Mama. Aware. Thanks, my love, the Crystal Show lover. Aware, Rosemary. If you matama wewe wa hati ebo, enu waja. Uri no rumpa. Or face who you want face. Talk to who you want talk to. Whoever we wish where those are bad person. This is the reason why I hate you. Do my own sin, yanu. Never. Matiku. Huh? Me and you. Matiku. Nothing say get one day when your matter self, I don't even, maybe I do exist. Because you are still a baby on the media space. Who are? Who make direction? You they hear me so? Fake life, na want by you. Whenever one of them in Europe. Another I told you do one oge boo when you have one oge boo. Whenever caravan, I buy way to me palo. Show your palo. When I say no show your palo when we go wagon. Am I animal body okay? Show your palo, make we see palo where you with a body, where you with a body stay. Show your house, go show your bedroom. Go show your bedroom. Make me video my own bedroom round. Make video my own bedroom round. Only my wardrobe look at me wardrobe why way yes. I said bewo. You know say I said bewo. This is how they use local. Show your bed. Let me see. I want really see your bed. People go price on my own. I'll snap my full bed. I'll go snap your own. People go price on for market. They will write the price for them. Umaro ibo versus single girl. Nagmowe mi doge keri my 5 years. Now get bed when I go give me. Wow, go. Owe bonana ti ye full chicken ya lungo me full chicken pa ke kan ya meti ya lungo me ya gime o iwe ogwe you just fat full everywhere. God will create human being. Now 2 type of people now God create. I be even is even 4 type. 4 type of people now God creates. They see lekpa. They see the one way not to lekpa. They see medium. And they see fat. Yes. If you want to talk, say, queen fat. Yes, but I no be me fat pass. I no fit to see as slim. Even as you dey, so you be fatty bobo. You don't know. Italian rat lady. You be fatty bobo as you dey so. If you don't know, make I tell you. You know they know as people take the slim. Agbani director. You know they see them. You don't know the shape of people where be agbani. Imagine you where you short, carry this kind of weight. How you tell the waka? You where you short like this, now where you make tukuru, where basically you don't even get any muscle, no bone where you take out this fat. How you tell the waka you make tukuru young grand so? Etwe polona. You know fat so. And so person tell the sleep. You decrease. Queen, you fat. Yes, I fat, I agree. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you a little bit of my story where you don't know. I post my old picture here one time. A lot of people come, they laugh. The time when me slim, I slim past you. You this best you also when you say data, so if you say you get one thing where you fit tell me. Egeni mena ye win. Egeni mena ye win. I slim past you. I tall past you. I gallant pass you. I cute pass you. If you say na lie, I will carry your shorty picture where you wear cocoa shoe. I go carry that picture tomorrow. and bring one of my old pictures, the one I don't fair post. I will gum them together. I will say make people choose my old piece and you now. May they even choose, even with your akbola for leg. Right from time, I know they wear akbola. Now slippers are the wear. Slippers, even though that slippers now 25,000, I go buy and wear. Yes, it go my back. Now that kind gadget now they like or sandals. No, me say I no get issue. I say get issue. I dey wear occasionally. Depend on wetin I want wear. Me they tell you now say when they say me fat. Now me they tell you now say I was once a lekpa like you. A pint dey requime. Imagine I go use rope tie jeans for waist. Make it for size me based on I like the jeans and you buy am. Skin where they drip even without filter. Now sister queen get. No, my lady, Mama Chelsea. We not even the on as well. This one they even they create. What do you want to do competition for? Everything na vanity, body, everything. Now God now get everything. But waiting me they tell they say me fat. Me one let her know and say the time when me taste slim, not be say maths. Ogbu no they see me for road throw away face. Yes, when I mean ogbu, they not they see me for road throw away face. My skin right from time I dey glow. The slim when me slim, if you see I straight finish. Not be you wey make to put so we say if you no climb chair, they not go see person there. I will go and bring that picture and you go say I go do it tomorrow. I'll go bring that picture, bring your old picture. I go put them together, or even your new picture, I'll put them together. Now let's go to the fat where you say I fat. Yes, I fat. Yes. The time when I slim, my people go they laugh me. They go, you too slim. They go, you too slim. I've said it a lot of times. Even that time, when they look for Cipron, when I want to drink so that I will fat. If every day I go, they stay for scale, they wear whether I don't fat, whether I don't fat. But that time I was in Nigeria. But when I enter Europe, when I come Europe, fat come naturally. Naturally, as me be. So even if I drink water, I go add weight. Even if I drink only water, I go add weight. Once a day, now they eat. Once a day, but I like to eat expensive food. I don't know whether not because of the way they raise me. If they had before you see me eat, no. I dey like eat. If that once a day, I'll just, anything I want eat, I'll eat and say, okay, yes. I eat until the way they hungry me. Yes. You understand? And fat come natural. Even the time why they walk, why they stress, run go here, fat still they come. But not be say, he come, say I no feel control. No. No. You understand? And this Oviakbo so, where they talk say, me fat now. Okay, Oviakbo, where there for Italy. Now, let me also challenge you to something now. When you tell no say, me queen, I not be your mate. Now, let's go on a 3 months program. On a body build 3 months program. Yeah? If possible, make I go register for gym. I get all those machines for us. So, when I don't see all those exercise machine, everything, I get them for us. So, if you too, either you buy for us or you go rent or you go register. Now, may we work on 2 different things for our 2 body. Yeah? Me now, I want to work on my fat. Yeah? I want to lose this fat where you they talk now, see me get. I want to lose them extremely. I want to lose them. I want to let you know now, say, now me, they control my body. No be my body, they control me. I go lose them, but I go still gain her back. And he make you not to say, make you not go to say this, to let you know, say, now my choice to fat. Not be you, they tell me. You understand? Hey, now my own choice to fat. Not be say I will come fast, say, no. I be should be person. Thanks for joining my lady, my mom, Moyemi. I be should be person. Which people were there around me, yeah, they know. Now, I want to challenge you now, say, me go on 3 months weight loss journey. I want me you to go to 3 months height increasement. Do you understand? I want me you to Oviakbo. May you go 3 months height journey. 3 months time. I want to say you talk. 3 months time. I want to say you talk. If I say I want to reduce back. If I start 3 months you go see the result. Now you go even dey beg me say, Queen, this thing, no. You don't reduce, no. You, even if you spend more than 300 billion safe, we set it Mariana Riave. Even if they go put boloko, go fix people boloko, bone way long for you, can't cut your short one, can't put long one. You no go still fit all. You are short forever. What a expecting where you doing? Expecting where to ye to buru wenuje. So you see and say, I know be your mate. And that fact, if yes. But not forget, say, I don't test the slim. I don't test the fats. Now the fat even favor me pass. Now people like for me pass. Now people they like if you see me, people see me like my fat don't be all those nyamani. No. If you see me, you know say they see somebody. People want to chill with me. People love me. And another thing they pay you. If me feel fat I still fine like this, you know say, hey, if I slim, that one me say you are finished. That one me say 444 or where for. You they hear me? Because you go dead there, wait till you sit down for your own ass. The reason you open face camera, this screen they say fine. This screen, this one fine. Why will you be dealing with now? Those one be prayer where you they pray if they break. If you want to do saga, do saga. The other one where you talk, you say my belly, you say my belly, you say na so my belly big. You say na so this one. Make I tell you something. Me before, if I do that video, I dey come out clothes for my belly. Yes. If I do video, if I stand they dance or the anytime they do video, I dey throw my shirt to go up. You see this my belly, so I go lose and I dey leave her for grand. Let people they see. If you see my belly, my lady say me, I don't see and say, even if I go fat my sister, even if I fat, the most important is that if you fat, control it. Not be saying you can't fat like Daisy. No. Control it. You understand? That one are the most important thing. As me there, so when they say person they tire, I know they tire. And how many are they way safe? If I maybe before this weekend, I will stay for this my scale. I will stand for my scale. I will snap her. I will post her for Facebook. Me una see how many are they way. Because if I do live video, I don't say if me they do live video, I will just sit down, face video, boy like this. See me see camera, and me tell they do my video, which you will come, I don't know, you will come large me. You understand? You will come increase me. You will come increase me. Most video when they do, they stand, they dance. Now, if this was all they find me, may go watch video. Why don't they stand, they dance? May go see me for there. You don't need to come display myself to this shorty now. Una they get me. Now, maybe before this weekend, I will just stand on my scale, I will snap her, I will post her, say, may you see her. May you know, say, not be you because of what you this. May you see what you are the way. Whether you will even feel believe, say, eh, Queen, now you be like this. You will see her with your kuro eye. And not they use lekpa to the shenken me. Because I not be person where you go use lekpa shenken or call they use lekpa to the, hey, this, to check it, you not be lekpa. Yes, you not be lekpa, you wear short. Lekpa they talk. This girl will carry pikin come for Nigeria. You not see that one shape. She tall, she slim. Even if say she works so hard to make sure say she's slim, yes, but she tall. You see her height. Now some person tell they be. You where you short, you be say if you no climb table, you know if you talk. Now let's saga now you know. So they support person because of a baby here for. You understand? So not use slimness, stay fun for me. Man, not use my old picture, take slap your face. Man, don't use that slap your face. You understand me? If you get better to talk, hey, you say my belly, this one, you don't see my belly. You don't see my belly because you know they wash me, you don't know. If me open my belly for you, show that your Igbo, if that Igbo not wet, man, I know what it cause. If that your Igbo not wet, make me know what it cause. Not beside the brand. I go show you, say, I go even wear short knicker like this. I will come, where I stop to do all those things. Now somebody stop me. Yes. Now somebody now stop me. Say, all those ashewolizing things. Me I not try, man I know they do one. And somebody now stop me. Singlet, now if you watch me, if I even wear singlet come video, I need to block my chest. If not, if you see only nipple, who a big boy, you'll go die, you'll go come back again. Why would ya barrier, who the baby agbo? But somebody stop me from doing those things. Like they laughing enough, you know what is all this? But me that time I thought it was fun, it was just cruise, normal thing. And he said no. Don't do this anymore. I don't want to see all this nonsense coming from your platform for this live video. Don't try it. It says you want us. If you don't want to sit down for the live video, you come out here now as they look you. I have to stop. If not, you go day one corner, they tell me say, this one, that one. Ogun you dey mad. You don't know your class of type of person, of women. They tell women sit up past you. Yeah, I'm a picture. I'll go and post it. I'll post it. So, Rose Short, where they Italy, you are too dirty and useless for my liking. Mado Ibo with no palo. You are too dirty for my liking. You will come they talk. This one, that one. Who be you? Who be you? Make I know who be you. Who be you? Guys, I'm coming, okay? Make I see what you. Somebody send me something. Okay? Me, I don't understand though. Now make I know the live play. See. Now all this copyright, I don't already sort all these issues since. And none of the con they open. I be like I will delete all this video, I will just delete them. Because really, I don't need this. I don't need this. Remove video. Oh yeah, remove one. Delete video. I don't need it. Quand they stress my page because of this thing. I don't need that. Let me take it. I'm taking it all of happy video for how many times at the end they get still coming this one. No, not because of where the thing they remove video. This one don't come out. So my people, now so we no see how. Now so we no see how. This year guess so. Negbe magbana. Every time she always see me as a threat. Every time she always see me as see me and they drag one thing. As she say with the wear one shoe, with the stay one house. What it concern me, concern you? What it concern me, concern you? You will do your things. I dey do my things. Since you do this video where you take cost your family, so your generation. Did you see me come to analyze it? No. I look and say, now your own mentality be that, which is a very dirty and a local mentality. A disgusting mentality from a useless girl. From a useless girl. I want to go out of nonsense in Ubetalona. Oh, no, I mean, listen to her.
That we really get jealous. Yes, all of us. Why the obvious of jealousy just they come out from
the obvious? Why? The obvious of jealousy.
I'm not taking anybody at. You want to wear
Unaye, she not remove the young. She not remove anybody. Even when they then wait, you know, our parents, our mama, our papa, our cousins, our loved ones, our generation, our full village. She not remove any of them. Because why they end their opinion. They talk on issue where they trend online. Then they use less person like this. Go waka via. Come meet more. The Queen Store show. She said she want to advise me. Which advice a lunatic like this go fit give me? When me need for my life, what I never get. I have Norita. I have Mama Okiro Edos. Mama Chelsea is there. The Crystal Show Lover is there. A lot more are there. For live video site. A lot. Many, those who are not called their name, they are all there. Indoor, I get my family. Me and my family. I not come from family where they use for class find each other. I not come from family where be say, no matter anything when I do today. No matter as I'm moody for Facebook, same I can't decrease for Facebook. My family will always forgive me. No matter anything when I do, probably anything when I go give them, they will forgive me. If I need advice, they will say advise me. The house where me dey, I get people for my house. Person for my house now. Now every time they bring things for me, they dash me. If I need advice, I feel ask them. I get friends around this area. I even get Sharon where they give me jollof rice. If I need advice, I go ask them. Say maybe advice was come to worse. I don't see who be this shorty where insult person where senior a papa a mama a full village. Who is she to come out to say she want to advise me? When I me check on her. I'm not wrong when I tell this girl, say make she shut up. I don't need her advice. I don't need her. Now, if mama say advice, let she be one advice me. She wanted to downgrade me. She wanted to bully me. She wanted to body shame me. She wanted to even like talk down on me. That was why I come out to tell her to shut up. And Facebook. If I need advice, now she be the list of person to advise me. Because Oma say, person we get localistic brain, a local mentality of a woman. Hungry lion, where they buy beverage yesterday now. Yesterday, throughout yesterday, I use our love fowl. Throughout yesterday, I go where they buy chicken. The man just still call me say, he get live chicken now. And when they I bought 20 pieces. 20. Now buy. Life one. Somebody call me buy them. Pour water. We can't they wolo. They can't clean her up for me. Package and that is now those things I do throughout yesterday. I go store for my fridge. Today night I go do spinzer. I know they do spinzer every day. They do my spinzer once in a month. If I need any other thing, I feel come buy joint. I they like to eat chicken. I know some people will say they don't like chicken, but me I like chicken. Not be all those boa chicken or no. Those native one, that strong one. I they like and well. Because see, now still they eat. To my now if it eats well. Gonna protein. Egg. Some of them say you see egg for inside. Those are my favorite meats why they eat. Now protein. Now they get me. So now waiting I use yesterday and today. Even now see say the way I tell they talk for this video. I not to get like I just say make I just do this one calmly first. Because of this girl where they craze. Hello? Because of this girl where they craze. Now it's okay. May I offer do this small one for her first. Because I they come for her. Now different way they tell they come for person. You understand? Now different way they tell they come for person. I will call you back, okay? I'm online. I will call you back, okay? I'm about to round up. Once I round up, I will call you. All right? You see? Which message be all this one? Now they get me so. Where this news and small they follow me, they talk rubbish. You want to do this one, you want to do this one, you want to advise me. Advise your forefathers.
Why would I put her for one person here that say, oh, no, back our no, no, me fake account no, no, now let she work, get fake account where they fight for them, get everything. Well, I see you for the such what I do. Oh, I swear. Now only one person, I ain't show one person for this matter. You not the second wife part. Now so they come beat you. You not the first wife part.
No, not here. I wait the Terinya. Before she started this in house now, she already declared that she's talking to everybody, both old and young and small. She said now all her family, village people, now she they talk to so. Thanks for joining, Mama Sign on Master Brown. She said it just now that she's talking to all her village people. Or wait a yazwo.